GM, how you guys doing? Back for another live show, guys. Let me look at the check to make sure audio is working and having no issues. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. 1 second, guys. Um. mm, all right. Hope you guys doing all right, man. I'm just Let me see. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. James, yo, man. Sorry I missed the show yesterday. I was kind of busy, right, as usual. Mm, check. Audio's working. Checking still working. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. There we go. Good. Audio's perfect. Hey, Pandora Eat, what's up? What's going on? Yeah, I know, man. Yesterday, I took the kids out, man, to go do some stuff. So I was kind of behind. Couldn't host a show yesterday, but we're back. Gonna wait a couple of minutes till we start the show. I see some things, some nice little news coming out. A lot of people on those projects that we've been on. Avantis released TGE, info, and I think the War Chain projects they're probably gonna TGE pretty soon, man. I think because they've been out for a long time and nothing so far. So if you've been using War Chain for a while, rewards coming your way. As far the market goes, nothing. I mean, I haven't checked it really. I've been busy, man. The past 2 days, I haven't really looked at this shit, man. And I think it's because I we have a long way to go, right? So I'm not. I would say one thing. My bro Samara, he made a post. Very horrible stuff happened to him. Um, Trying to protect your wallets, guys, as much as you can. Like don't leave funds on your wallets, man. I'm going to empty all because I have different wallets, whatever. I'm going to clean house, man. I'm sending everything out off chain. Seriously, it's too crazy out here, man. It's too crazy. Silence, what's up? What's going on? Crucifixia, what's up, Andrea? I see you guys in the show. What's up? What's going on? But yeah, man, it's a good day. Good day to be in the markets. Like I said, let's take a look real quick, man. Jim, to you legends. I know it's late for you guys, but I appreciate you guys for being here on the show right now, man. Let's take a look at the numbers here. After we look at the markets, as you guys know, we'll check headlines, and if we have time, we could look at some other stuff. But I think things are looking good, right? I think the question is, people are asking, are we in alt season? Like things are strange right now, very strange. I honestly don't even know, man, because it looks like things gonna pop off, then it comes down, then it pops off. It's just so weird. It's just so weird. Um, all right. Let's see. Oh, we got Franklin. What's up, man? Franklin in the house. Jim. How you doing? How you doing? Hope you guys doing all right, man. Let me share my screen real quick. Look at Aerodrome. Holy shit! It's about above $1. That can't be right, right? Is that right? That can't be right. That can't be right. That'd be insane if it is. That can't be right. All right, let me share my screen real quick. Jim to all of you, man. I hope you guys doing all right. A lot of announcements. I saw Martin Five released information about talk airdrop. I swear, my money has been on Margify for 3 years. Yeah, crazy, absolutely nuts, man. And they just announced or hinted at the airdrop coming soon. Don't. I'm not even holding my breath. I'm not even tripping. Is what it is. We'll see what happens with that, man. But Margify it's been crazy on Margify. Have your money on the chain for 3 years. I mean, almost 3 years. 2025, 2024, 2023. Yeah, man. I think about 3 years, man. Can you imagine? Can you leave your money on it's locked for 3 years? I do it all the I do it all the time, man. Because I'm a long-term person, right? I'm always here. So I'm like, yeah, what I will see. I did it with ZK Sync was 4 years, I think. It took 4 years to get rewarded from ZK Sync. That's absolutely insane. But Margin Fi has been 3 years, man. And I did another one. Network Noya, I locked my money for 1 year. Then Avantis, I locked my money for 6 months. 6 months. You just hope and pray that project doesn't die or get hacked. But usually, when you lock your funds for a long time, you get the most returns. Usually, not guaranteed, but usually. All right, guys. Let's take a look at the markets, man. Let's see what's popping off here. It's been an interesting time right now in the markets, man. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance first. Bitcoin dominance is 57%. And as long as this number remains, there's no alt season, guys. No, zero alt season, because Bitcoin dominance cannot be 57% and expect you to have alt season. That's not going to happen. But when Bitcoin dominance drops, then we get alt season. Because right now, ETH dominance of 14%. That's still pretty high, right? But you want Bitcoin dominance to come down lower. But like I said, we might never see that again. Who the hell knows? But so far, we've never seen altcoin season before at this levels. Okay. Trading volume went down a bit, about a good amount. Today's Tuesday. Trading volume is $189 billion, down 17%. Trading volume is basically the amount of money being exchanged, the buys, the sells. That interaction creates volume, and that's what this signals. Trading volume doesn't necessarily signal a price up or down. We've seen low volume markets and market pumps like crazy, or very, very, very high volumes, and it crash. So, but trading volume, to me, what it signifies is interest in the markets, if that makes sense. So right now, 189 billion, 24 hours trading volume. That's actually pretty good for a weekday. Not good. When we enter a bear market, trading volume is like 10 billion, 20, like very, very, very low. So right now, this tells me that we're not in a bear market, man. We're not even anywhere near, because this number here, 189 billion trading volume, does show there's still significant amount of interest in the market still. Let me check something. I want to check if my shows are just. What's that, guys? Yeah, sorry. My show is live right now. I'm on YouTube, so but I had it in my ear. I'm just listening. I couldn't talk, but thanks for the show. Great show, as usual. And before we go, I just want to say big shout out to my bro Samara. I didn't want to bring it up, but he's going through hard times, man. I'm not going to say it. Maybe you want to speak on it. I don't know. But you go on this page and see what he went through. But your money will come back, bro. And just the way you made it before, you could do it again, bro. Seriously. So the big love to you, man. All right, cool. All right, yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I'm on. I have two shows running, so I got two shows during the week. I'm on one right now, and they're about to end soon. So yeah, yeah. So and yeah, the total market cap for crypto, which is pretty cool. The funny ends, it's came down, man. Right. So the total market cap was at 4.1 trillion. That's when everything was humming, right? I think because of the dip we had recently, we lost a couple of billion in market cap. So that's what this is right now, man. So I think we're good. I think we're good. Also, yeah, give me a second, guys. Okay. Yeah, did I say anything? One second. Yeah, I'm listening to my show. I think by the end, I apologize, guys. Yeah. So all right, let's take a look at the numbers here, man. So right now, Bitcoin is $112,000, 307, up 2% in the past 24 hours. We got Bitcoin went to like 109, right? I think 109 or 107. But it's these things are so this these things are so hard to predict now because we're not in control anymore. And I'll show you where I think your money should be right now. I'll let you know. Um, one second. Um, so we got ETH that's 4,618, up 5.4%. Then XRP is still doing positive things, man. Up 5% past 24 hours. Pretty cool. BNB still doing very, very well. To me, BNB has probably been being the best performing assets amongst the big caps. Doing very, 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 very well, man. We got Solana 197 up 10%. If Solana gets to 160, 180, it's a buy. It's a buy because it's gonna break out soon, guys. Solana gonna break out soon because Solana's touched 200 many, many, many times now, but it keeps going back lower. But this is gonna break out, and we might never see, or now say never. We might not see $200 Solana for a long time. Tron also doing pretty well, up to 2.6%. Dogecoin up 5%. 24 hours Cardano up 4%. Chainlink up 5%. Hyperliquid up 13%. Juicy, juicy. Sui up 4%. Things are doing well, man. Things are doing very, very well. Polkadot up 4. Can't complain. Pretty cool. All right. Let me take a look at this. Okay, yeah, fair ingredient. We always gotta check this, right? So remember last week, I think we held the show and we had fear and greed index was at neutral and the market was up, and now maybe and now we got a same situation. Markets kind of took a nice juicy dip or dump, and we're still at neutral. So we're just in a very weird space now where it's difficult to know where we're going, man. But I like I said before, I'll tell you where I think you should be looking at when it comes to prices. But before I do that, let me just check the chat to make sure I didn't miss anyone. Okay, I seen the lake in the house. The lake, what's up? How you doing? I appreciate you for retweeting the stream. Thanks, fam. Much love, Just Us in the house. What's up, Just Us? You guys doing okay? All right, cool. So I didn't miss anyone. Let me jump on here, man. All right, cool. Let me see. Make sure I get this real quick. Awesome. All right. So the reason why I'm saying look out for these numbers, right, is basically um the so I think most of your money should be in Ethereum, man. That's where the party is right now. And I haven't necessarily checked the Ethereum plays. I need to go look at them. But ETH is doing its thing, man. I mean, Ethereum is absolutely killing it right now, man. I don't really know. Um, I don't really know. Exactly how to position outside ETH, but at least for ETH, and I'll show you the proof here. I wish I could pull this up. It's on my phone. It's on CoinMarketCap. So this is looking at the ETF inflows and outflows, right? So as of this is today or yesterday, probably I think yesterday. I think, right? Yeah, yesterday, August 22nd. No, I think yesterday. No. I'm wrong. Yeah. August 25th. August 25th. There's still inflows of Ethereum. Ethereum's inflow on ETFs is 46 million. Bitcoin inflow is 11 million. For the past, so let me show how crazy this is. How crazy this is, right? So today's inflow of ETH was 46 million. Yesterday was 400. August 24th was $443 million into ETH. On Bitcoin, 222 million. Look at this. This was on August 21st. I think it's Thursday or Friday. There was $337 million worth of Ethereum ETF inflows, while Bitcoin had 23 million outflow. So while Ethereum had 333 million inflow, Bitcoin had 23 million outflow. Insane numbers, man. And it just keeps going. Guys, look at this one. This was on August 20th. $194 million of outflow, money coming out to the ETFs, but $287 million of inflows into ETH. So I think they're selling Bitcoin to buy ETH. And this has been going on for a while, man. The worst day of all. This is insane. This is why I'm like, either you're holding a lot of ETH, you could sell it if you want to, if you're up, no problem. But ETH is going a lot higher, and I'll tell you why. So the worst, this is the craziest thing. This is crazy, absolutely nuts. This is what the Bitcoin Maxi. I like Bitcoin. I'm a Bitcoin person for sure. But this is what they won't tell you. Okay, on August 10, on August 10, there was inflows into Bitcoin of $171 million. On Ethereum, $1.01 billion, man. Can you imagine how insane that is? This is what you don't see on the timeline, right? This is why I keep saying, come to the show, because you know where the money is going. There is billions and billions pouring into ETH, way more than Bitcoin, way more. On this day, this one day, man, one day, ETF inflows for Ethereum was 1.01 billion, while Bitcoin had 178 million. That is insane to me. So to me, my brain is going to that direction, right? So how do you find the Ethereum plays, right? The ETH plays would be the Ethereum layer twos, Ethereum DeFi, Ethereum meme coins, Ethereum NFTs, all these sectors, right? Ethereum RWAs, all these sectors are going to do very, very well. That's why that's where my brain is going. But I am mind blown how insane ETH has been for the past couple of weeks, man. It's not going to stop, by the way. It's not going to stop. And the reason why, because big money bags, they lost their chance on big money bags lost their chance on Bitcoin, and they feel like they could make it up. Hey, we got Blue Blood. What's up, Blue Blood? Blue Blood's in the house, but let's go. Big money bags missed the opportunity on Bitcoin, and I feel like they want to make it up on Ethereum, and that's why they're selling their Bitcoin for ETH right now. because ETH, of course, is a lower market cap. It has a higher upside. It does. Um, so, and this weekend we had a massive crash on, I think it was Sunday or Saturday or something. I think it was Saturday, or so, I think it was Sunday. I think it was Sunday evening. So I think what happened was because it was manipulation to the core, right? I think what happens very simple. This happens like 4 years ago. We have a lot of Bitcoin holders that have billions of dollars in their wallets. They don't like ETH was going to break $5,000 on Sunday. ETH was going to price discovery, just going to go nuts, right? This is just a conspiracy on my part, but I believe it's in my bones. On Sunday, some Bitcoin maxi person, they dumped, I think 25 million, no, 25,000 Bitcoin. They sold that. That's how you know, like, because ETH was going to price discovery almost 5K, going up like crazy. All of a sudden, one person, market sold 27,000 Bitcoin on the markets on a Sunday. The significance of Sunday trading, weekend trading is normally low. Weekend trading volume and liquidity is low. That's why a lot of rug pulls could happen on weekend, because the liquidity is low. So my opinion, I could be wrong. I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm going to the conspiracy side. I believe some entity somewhere didn't like the fact that Ethereum was going crazy, and they went to stop the momentum. Because after they dumped Bitcoin went from like, with Bitcoin dumped like a massive wick on a Sunday. Come on, man. So because of that dump, it stopped ETH's movement up. That's what I think happened on Sunday. But now we push it back up again. We'll see what happens though. But for me, I think the biggest opportunities would be finding the Ethereum plays early enough before they pop up. It's not going to be easy though, for sure. Or finding the Ethereum DeFi projects, NFT projects, RW projects, even the ones that already exist. If they have a good market cap, there might be a good opportunity for you. So what I guess. Let's check and chill over there. So yeah, that's what I think happened on the weekend. All right, let's take a look at the let's take a look at the what's this? Trading tokens. Let me see. We got trading tokens on CoinMarketCap. Let me see what it's about. At your screen. What am I looking at? Oh no, that's Kronos. No, we need to close this page. Close. Okay, can you guys see? Yes. So yeah, I want to look at this. So we got some trading tokens on CoinMarketCap. So right now, Kronos is the crypto.com blockchain is off 42%. That's crazy. Then we got Epic Chain. I don't know what Epic Chain is. Down 19, and Numeraire, I know that one, up 72%. Damn. Staker up 19. Wilder World, that's a metaverse project, right? I think it's just down only, man. Damn. BNB attestation service up 137%. Damn, Bear Chain's been pumping, man. Up 16%. Aave, of course, Aave is a big dog. The big dog DeFi project up 19%. What else? All these protocols, I don't even know. Prove. Oh, what's his name? Succinct. Okay, cool. Yeah, Aerodrome, man. Aerodrome. Jesus Christ. Look at the market cap of this thing, man. You know what's crazy? This is why I hate crypto sometimes. I hate crypto for this because there are some projects that pop off, right? And once they pop off, you saw them before they did. I will never forget this. I remember Aerodrome because I like bass, right? So I damn man, I bought Moonwell instead of Aerodrome. I should have bought Aerodrome instead because this thing is going nuts. Jesus Christ. Aerodrome has done, man. This is why I hate crypto. I swear, man. Look at this. Almost an all-time high, man. Damn. Oh my God. This was so wow. Wow, wow, wow. Last year. Oh my God. Last year, you could have bought this thing at 0.08. Woo. And right now it's at 1.3, man. Damn. And it hits two all-time highs. It actually hits 1.7, and the second all-time high is like it hit like 2.1. The trading volume for this token was that can't be right. No fucking way. That can't be right. No, okay, that can't be right. The trading volume on it is like no, that can't be correct. So the trading volume at the bottom was like 17 million, and at the very top, it's like over 100, almost 100 million. But now, so he went up, dumped, and now at the bottom again, 8.3. So as of April, you could have bought this thing at the bottom of the bottoms, man. Damn. Yeah, it's too late now. Market cap is already over $1 billion, man. Jeez. This is why I hate crypto sometimes, because you just never know, man. Kronos is a good buy for 5-10 years. Kronos. The reason I'll say yes, because it has crypto.com behind it. I don't know how strong that is, but crypto.com is one of the most popular exchanges in crypto. So they behind it. It's like saying you're buying BNB, right? You know, in a way. All right, let me look at the headlines here, because we missed the show yesterday. We should have a good amount of headlines that we need to talk about. So let's see what we have to offer here. Yeah, I'm sure we have a lot of headlines, man, because we missed the show yesterday. All right, cool. The U.S. This from 11 minutes ago. U.S. Truck monitoring moving away from offshore. This Steve Charles. Fed board to stand before Congress and SCOTUS with Governor Lisa Cook against Trump. That is funny. Will Ethereum go higher? Markets remain bullish. Bitcoin miner Hut 8 announces 1.5 gigawatts expansion in US. Stock rises 10%. Okay, cool. Crypto miners in US have been doing very well. Every time crypto prices go up, the miners are making more money, man. So they're doing very, very well. Yeah. Bitcoin investor gold. What do you choose? Gold bars are now tokenized on BTC blockchain. Cool. Donald Trump Jr. reportedly invest in Polymarket prediction platform. Yeah, that's huge, man. Polymarket is the big dog, guys. Like, really, really big. America just put its economy on the blockchain. Yeah, I saw that headline earlier during the day. This is a headline. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick made the announcement during a White House cabinet meeting on August 26th, which is today, framing the move. The post America just put his economy on the blockchain. Here's what it means. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy. So we're going to see more of this, guys. We're going to see more of this, because we're going to see more of this. The beautiful thing is, I mean, as of right now, we don't know which blockchains the U.S. government wants to use or is using. Because if once they announce it, we all know price to go crazy, right? But we'll see. MetaMask launches social login feature using Google and Apple accounts for wallet access. Okay, cool. Guys, please be careful out there, man. Two of our people in our community, their wallet got drained. Samara got drained. MSB got drained for their funds. It's pretty crazy because you guys gotta be careful out there. You've got to be careful out there. I said I'm gonna purge my wallets this weekend. I'm gonna send, or maybe this week when I have time. I'm sending everything off. I'm only gonna have money in DeFi projects. I don't want money in any of my wallets anymore because I don't understand like people's wallets that close to me. My bro Dave got hacked his wallet. Samara and MSB. Those are the people that I talk to almost every single fucking day, man. I don't know what's going on with that, man. It's pretty crazy. Top Doge officer claims agency risk social security data. Okay, cool. Binance Coin rebounds after Rex Osprey filed for BNB staking ETF. Remember I told you guys already, right? BNB is getting ETF, sure, 100%. A lot of these projects are going to get ETFs. We just saw today, I think Chainlink got another application for ETF. There's going to be many more. There's probably going to be over hundreds of ETFs that come out. Yeah, and there's going to be a meme coin ETF also. Absolutely, that's going to come. US to publish economic data on the blockchain. Woo! Remember when I told you guys already about how, if you're looking at prices right now, you're being too short-sighted. If you envision a future where blockchain tech is basically integrated with AI and our daily lives, these chains are going to be a lot more valuable than they are right now. So that's why I'm like, the long-term vision for me is very bullish, especially when you see stuff like this. It's crazy, man. The US government's about to put the economy on the fucking blockchain, man. That's insane. CFTC faces leadership void as Johnson confirms exits. Cool. Altcoins are fueling Bitcoin's next big rally, says Tim Draper. Tim Draper is a massive Bitcoin holder and also altcoin holder also. Like I said before, on our show today was a big discussion, argument. It was fun though, where we don't know where altcoin season is when it starts. I don't know. Who knows? Who cares? But altcoin season is different. We don't know if we're going to see what we saw in 2021. Because remember, 2021 was fueled by excess money in the system. We had excess money in the system for a long time. It's been like 4 years now, right? So we'll see what happens, man. But I still think we're going to get a bit of bull markets like for altcoins. It's just going to be very, very different like we used to, or we might have shorter cycles, like 3-month bullish, 4-month bearish, 2-month bullish, 3-month bearish, 5-month bearish, 2-month bullish. That just keeps going on and on and on forever. So the days of every 4 years we crash. I mean, no, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't think so. But like I said, who the hell knows, right? Who knows? All you could do is just keep clicking, right? Yeah, this is so crazy, man. $2.4 billion in crypto stolen via hacks in 2025 already. Damn. One's blockchain security from Certic. I just told you guys, right? My bro, Dave, Samara, MSB got hacked. Their wallets. Crazy. So it's happening. And I'm like, I'm not as trustworthy having your money on wallets anymore. Especially if you're active. If you send your money to a brand new wallet that's never been touched before, that's different. You're not clicking anything, nothing. You're fine. But when you start interacting with projects, you never know, man. I mean, you never know. it's just so much stuff, man. Like so much. So I would advise you guys move your money off chain, man. If you don't need it, move it off chain. Blast TV. Wow, Blast TVL. Wow, Blast TVL plunges another 30% as users abandon the network. That's insane. So the same thing happened to Eclipse. You guys remember Eclipse, right? I was bullish on Eclipse. I don't say I don't say I am. I was, but they really screwed over their people, man. People is just people left Eclipse, man. I have some money on Eclipse still, but people are not happy with Eclipse right now because they really messed up. Eclipse. I'm checking the price real quick. Eclipse. Eclipse was so hyped, man. It was look, it's down, man. People are selling the shit, man. Eclipse was so hyped, so wow. Look at the damn market cap of Eclipse 23 million. I sold this shit at 100 and like almost 200 million, I think. And it's 23 million in micro cap. That's bad, man. That's so bad. That is so bad. Barely any volume on this thing. Yeah, man. You when you screw over a community like that, man, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. They fired everybody, man. They've downsized their entire working staff. They fired 61% of their staff in the Eclipse company. So that token, I'm not saying it's dead. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know, man. Because I don't know how you come back from this shit. I don't know how you come back. I have no idea you come back. Um, Open Ledger to launch Open Token in September after raising 15 million from on-chain AI modules. Pretty cool. That's going to be a big airdrop too. Bitwise files S1 statement for Chainlink ETF. Link recovery path defined. Remember, I said before, a lot of ETFs are coming. Chainlink is one. Chainlink to me might be probably the best protocol in crypto, minus Bitcoin and Ethereum, because it is chain agnostic, which means it works with all blockchains. As a matter of fact, it actually works with Web 2 companies and Web 3 companies. So it does it all, man. I love this freaking chain. I hope it does well, though. I'm a big fan of it, though. Commerce Secretary Lutwick announces plans to issue US GDP statistics. US Secretary Lutwick announces plans to issue US GDP statistics on the blockchain. That is fucking crazy. I hope we do it on ETH though. It doesn't matter. All right. I mean, it does matter. It doesn't matter. It matters on what chain you do it on. Crypto.com allegations. Major incidents alleged by investigator. I've heard about this. Interesting. That's kind of new to me, man. U.S. Department of Commerce to start issuing statistics on blockchain to enhance transparency. Wow, that's bullish, man. What did Blue Blood say? Mm, the power of the community. Community. Yeah, bro. Eclipse, bro. They fired Alucard. They fired everybody, man. If the former CEO also resigned too, they fired everybody. 60% of the staff is gone. So imagine they had 1,000 people. Now they have 400. They fired everybody. And I don't know if Eclipse can recover. I'm not going to lie to you because it's so crazy too, man. Because I'm like, it's not even that hard. You had the strongest community in crypto, which was the ASC community. Those guys were nuts, man. And for you to give them $300 for their work, that's insane to me. Mind bending. Absolutely mind bending. Mm. So I don't know, man. I don't know. Because they raised a lot of money They did raise a lot of money. They do have strong devs on there, but man, their culture is dead. If your culture is dead on the chain, I don't know if you come back. I don't know, man. I don't know. But it seems like Eclipse might not recover, but they could recover. I don't know, man. It's hard to say. Um, what else? What else? What else? Whew. See, look at this. Binance sees $1.65 billion liquidity injection as Ethereum investors move to long-term storage mode. So what I'm saying is a lot of money is pouring into Binance. They make a lot of money. People are buying these big assets now and not selling them, man, because they've seen the writing on the wall. It's just so simple. I just showed you how much money is pouring into Ethereum. You think big money bags are buying $1.1 billion worth of ETH at how much was ETH on August 11th? That was the highest buy. That was the highest inflow. Let me see. Let me see. How much was ETH on August 11th? Because they spent 1.1 billion. $1.1 billion. How much was ETH on August 11th? On August 11th, it was 4,000. One second. It was 4,224. So you think big money bags will buy ETH at 4,224 and you think it's gonna crash 50%? No. Big money bags don't play like that. And even if it does, they have the money to average down their costs. They have the money to do that. So these guys are golden. So they when you spend this much money on Ethereum, you know it's gonna go to Valhalla, right? It's just gonna be slow. They don't big money bags, they're not trying to do 10x in one day. Nah. They're trying to do a 10x over 10 years. Yeah, man. Because they're long-term thinking. A 5x in next 8 years. They don't, yeah, because they spent 1 billion and they'll make 5 billion. That's huge. Huge. What else? So Trump backed. Crypto analyst reveals how India can beat Trump's 50% tariffs. Okay, cool. uh, Trump Media, Trump Media, Crypto.com, Yorkville announced. Oh, wow. That's why this thing pumped, man. That's why Kronos pumped the way it did. I didn't know this news. Trump Media, Crypto.com, Yorkville announced Crypto Reserve Venture. So basically, the Trump Media Company are launching Kronos, a venture arm, is a VC company, basically. Holy shit! Does that Reserve Venture? So basically, they're going to be buying Kronos. That's what it looks like. And now it's Crow Reserve Venture. Yeah, it looks like they're going to be buying Kronos, man. Damn. ETFs are coming for that too. Sure. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Um, what else? What else? What else? A lot of news. A lot of news. Ethereum breaks out against Bitcoin, but new highs depend on 4,700 becoming support. So how crazy this stuff is, right? I mean, as long as we don't get any wars, nothing bad happens. So I think we're gonna see this on ETH for a while. ETH is gonna be bouncing between. It could bounce between 3,900 or 4,100 to 4,500 or 4,700. Could bounce in that range for the next 3 months. Yeah. Because I don't think these whales want it to pop off. Because if it goes, it's gone, man. And I don't think they want that. They want to buy as much as possibly can. Because right now, the biggest ETH buyer right now, similar to Michael Saylor, is shit. What's his name? Tom something. I forgot his name, man. Some dude with glasses. I forgot his name. I forgot his name. I can't remember. I can't remember his name. Tom. I think Tommy something. Tom. Or maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But they've been buying like double digit billions worth of ETH recently. But as long as the buying pressure remains this strong, they're going to attract other big money back to start buying ETH also. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's gonna be crazy, guys. It's gonna be crazy. Uh Wow, that's crazy. Canary files for first of its kind Trump meme coin spot ETF. Did I tell you guys? I told you guys. Come on, man. The game is about to get nuts, man. And like I said before, the projects that have the most eyes, that get the most attention from institutions, are the ones that will do very, very well in the long term. Of course, it all depends on liquidity and all those things, but usually, because these big money bags they're buying, right? They need somebody to dump on, right? There's no retail here to dump on yet, so they'll just keep buying and buying and buying. And when that time comes, I don't know when it's gonna happen. There's gonna be a day when uh big money bags are pumping the markets, pumping up the news. The news is telling you crypto's gonna change the world. We're pumping like crazy. That's when they sell. That's what happens all the time. That's why they're buying right now, man. That's why they're buying, because they know what's about to happen. They know what's coming. What else? October. So October, basically having a bullish Q4. We'll see what happens. Ethereum had a nasty year this year. Had 5 straight months of down. No joke. 5 straight months of negative price action on the monthly charts. Monthly charts on ETH is down 5 months straight, and the past 2 months it's been green. So we've had 5 bad months for ETH, 2 good months for ETH. We have September, October, November, December. So we have 4 months. Wow, we have 4 months left in the year. Holy shit. That's insane, guys. September. Wow. We have 4 months left in the year. Am I correct? September, October, November, December. Wow. That's unbelievable. I remember when we just finished, we just got into the new year. I remember it like yesterday. I swear. Unbelievable. How, man. The way time flies, man. Crazy. Absolutely insane. 4 months left in 2025, man. 4 months left. Bluebird said Eclipse might be the next ZK, maybe. Pandaris.it says community is everything 100%. Time is moving fast. Yes. 4 months left in 2025. Madness. That is insane to me. Time is flying right now, man. I'm not saying that, sell everything. No, I'm not saying we have a long, long, long road ahead, guys. And I'll tell you, remember, guys, I spoke about this already about the indicators. I got another one for you guys. This one will blow your mind. This one would blow your mind. I got this just recently. Oh, what's that? No offense, bro. This girl takes way too long. It's freaking Mount Monologue. Holy shit, Dave. Who's she talking to? Who's she mention? Come on. Yeah, man. Fucking monologue. That's fucking hilarious. You guys are hilarious. All right. Shit. What am I doing here? US. Blah, blah, blah. Mm, yes, I'll show you guys something real quick. Let me show you guys something. I sent it to group, right? No, I sent it to Dave. Let me open Dave's message. Where's Dave? Where is it? Where's Dave's message, man? There you go. So I okay, I'm gonna retweet this again for you guys to see it, right? So check my most recent post. I just put it up again. It says zero out of 30 bull market peak indicators I've hit so far. Zero. We're not even anywhere near bull market stuff. We're not even anywhere near. We have a long way to go. If you guys want this, it's probably the greatest tweet I've ever seen when it comes to tracking prices right now of the markets, tracking the bull market and when to sell. Zero out of 30 indicators have been hit so far that indicates bull market peak. We're not even anywhere near. And this stuff tweet came out at Ethereum all-time high, at near Bitcoin all-time high, at Solana near Bitcoin all-time high. Zero out of 30 indicators. Zero are being hit. Guys, we're not even come on. We're not even anywhere near. So when people say, "Oh, bull market," I'm like, bro, we're not even anywhere near, man. We have a long way to go, guys. A long way to go. So look at this. Check this out. This is my number one indicator, right? That indicates the trade. I mean, a lot of you already know this, right? I mean, because you follow me, you watch me talk all the time. You guys know this. So the Coinbase rank, right? Coinbase, indicates retail trading activity of crypto. Right now in the App Store, the Coinbase app is ranked 322. 322 rank on of all the apps in the App Store. When retail is here buying, this rank on for Coinbase goes to 20. It hits number one. It hit number one twice before 4 years ago. That's the peak of the peak. So we're not even anywhere near. So that means we have almost zero of American retail investors buying crypto right now. So what are we talking about, man? This is the reason why you never hear me talk about price. I'll only mention price when I'm like, okay, things are weird. Pay attention. Right now, things are weird, but not as weird as this, where we have a long way to go until money from these retail buyers come in someday. I don't know when it's gonna happen. Who the hell knows? Someday it could be 1 year, 3 years, 4 years. I don't know. All I do know is I have all these weapons in my pockets. So check my page right now. I just retweeted it. In case you guys want to put that, there's 30 indicators for you guys to use to help you determine if it's the peak of the bull market or not. We're not even anywhere near because 0 out of 30. Insane. What else? Look at it. Look at this. Stellar Lumens, XLM, ETF talk. So ETF wars are coming. We're gonna have stablecoin wars and ETF wars. That's what I expect. All right, what else? Crypto.com Crow token explodes as Trump media announces new treasury strategy with exchange. That's insane, man. I don't know if they're gonna buy Crow though. I don't. I probably treasury strategy. I guys. Oh my god, a lot of money is coming in here, man, and it's just a matter of which Are you holding the right assets that's going to benefit from the inflow of liquidity? That's what I'm hoping you guys are betting on. I am. It's going to be really cool, man. I can't wait, man. Look, look. Kanye West meme coin down 81% from peak as rapper says Instagram hacked for scam. It's so messed up, man. These people come, they steal money and they just leave, man, and move on to the next one. So messed up. Mm. Yeah, look at this. Eclipse. It's funny. Eclipse images on my headline. Eclipse Labs restructures, shifts focus from infrastructure to apps. What? That makes no sense. Maybe I'm wrong, but okay. I got nothing to say. But yeah, Eclipse Labs, they, like I said, they fired 60% of their staff. And like I said, I don't know if this shit will recover again. It's just they did a mess over there, man. A big mess. A big mess. JP Morgan backs hedge fund Numeraire. Oh, this was trending. Holy shit. See what I'm saying? Like, how are you supposed to know? How are you supposed to know that these assets are going to get investments like this or so or similar? Numeraire. I saw this trending earlier. Trending. Let me see. Trending. I don't see that yet. Let me see. Numeraire. I saw it earlier. Maybe on Numeraire AI. Is that it? N-U MERAI. Yeah, look at this shit. Jesus Christ. This thing's up. Is up 101%. Like, that's insane, man. That's insane. Ooh, it's even low supply too. Wow. I might look at this shit, man. Is low supply. Let me check something real quick. What's the all-time high? Ooh, it's still down. It's down 90. It's down 82% from all-time high from 4 years ago. Ah, damn. Like there's so like see what I'm saying? Like there's so many opportunities out here, man. So many. So in the past 24 hours, it's up 100. Yo, no joke, man. You could right now, this thing up is at $16. You could have bought this shit at, you know what? Let me just go as far as 2 weeks ago. Let me do third. Let me do 3 months ago. 3 months ago, you could have bought this thing at $7, at $6, at 6.3. And right now is at 16. So basically a 2x, almost a 3x in 1 month. And right now, market cap is still fairly low. Because look at this shit. JP Morgan backs hedge fund Numeraire AI with $500 million, fueling crypto AI convergence. Jesus. I'm gonna okay, I'm gonna save this then. Maybe what I might dollar cost into this shit, man, because it's still pretty down from all time high, right? It's still down from all time high. The most recent high that it hits, the most recent high it hits a year ago. Let me see if I can find this thing. This is something I don't know. Like I said, 100 million market cap. This we could do a 10x, yeah, sure. Market cap of Okay, so the recent high was $60, and right now it's 16. So if he gets to the recent high, which is just from recently, yeah, you could make a 10x on this thing, man. 10x to put it at a 1.1 billion dollar market cap. Um, I like that the supply is low. I like low supply projects because if you could get good on this, you own a lot of it, then it does go crazy. Low supply tokens, but that's why it pumped this heavy because it's low supply. So the ticker is NMR. Is an AI project. They got a hedge fund numeraire with backed by $500 million, man. What AI project? Come on, man. You know that's a win, right? So I don't know. I'm not saying go buy it. I'm saying keep an eye on it. But yeah, man, I am looking at this shit. I'm gonna save it because the market cap is low enough to make a difference. Your $100 could become 1K. Your 1K could become 10K. If you have 10K, your 10K could pump to 100 grand. Yeah. Um, at a market cap of 125 million, that's good for me, man. And what I would do is this, right? Because you guys have to remember when Bitcoin goes down, it's gonna go down too, and even higher. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. I haven't bought any tokens, guys. All my money, I made my money from airdrops. I don't buy anything. I haven't bought any token in like 2 years, man. I don't buy anything. All my money is from airdrops, right? And from years and years ago, or 4 years ago. Um, but this numeraire might be one I'm looking at. We got Alex put a comment in here. Alex, what's up? How you doing, buddy? I'm very new to all this. What would be the best way to start? Ooh, crypto is a very crypto is it's a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not easy. You're on YouTube, right? My advice to you is use YouTube to your advantage, because that's what I did 4 years ago. 4 years ago, I was on YouTube. I typed everything. How how mm, how do I use crypto? What is crypto? How do I buy crypto? What is a wallet? There's so many different my guy Alex. There's hundreds, thousands of videos about how to start with crypto. I would recommend YouTube is what helped me start. That's how I got my start. So there's nobody, because I think what will happen is you don't want people to tell you, because what will happen is the crypto has a broad sector. There's DeFi, there's NFTs, there's RWAs, there's AI, there's RWAs, right? Different sectors of crypto. So it's difficult to tell you how to start. But my advice to you, YouTube. You're already on YouTube. I can see comments from YouTube. I appreciate you. But I would tell you, YouTube is your best friend. Just type in something on YouTube and you get your answer. I give you, just dedicate a couple of 30 40 minutes a day, an hour a day every day, to learning this crypto stuff. I give yourself 2 to 3 months. I guarantee you your knowledge level will be out of this world, man. Because crypto is a very risky place that you need to know what to do, what not to do. And it's a lot, and it's grown a bunch. That's why I recommend you spending some time on YouTube researching, watching. It's as simple as type it in: how to crypto, how do I buy, how do I sell, how do I get wallets, how do I protect my wallet. There's different things. Or crypto for beginners, you can do that one. Crypto for beginners, just type it in, you see all the videos come up. What token are you looking at? Oh, it's called Numeraire, NMR. It's an AI. They got it back in $500 million, man. This thing pumped 100% in 24 hours. So market cap is 127 million, which is crazy low right now. I would have loved to buy this thing earlier. The market cap was 50 million. The market cap was 50 million just like just recently. What, 24 hours ago? 24 hours ago. So guys, I'm probably gonna end the show now anyway. It's already past 7. Give me a second. We've been on for an hour and 5 minutes. I normally end the show at about I normally end this show about like an hour, like an hour. This is an hour in the crypto hour, right? But before I do that, let me open up CoinGecko and we'll check this numeraire. This is why crypto is so hard to make money. There's so many projects. You don't know which one's gonna pop off. You will have no idea. There's so much going on. It's so difficult, man. Yeah, right here, numeraire. Look at this shit. Oh, for sure. I'm buying this thing. There's no doubt about that. I'm just gonna wait because when Bitcoin goes down, it's gonna go down. Numeraire is already coming down already. It was $16 when I checked. Now it's 15.8. I'm gonna wait and I might start buying this shit, man. I want to own a good amount of it and just kind of wait and see what happens. So you guys can see this. Oh, let me share my screen. Yeah, right here, numeraire. This is it. I'm not saying go buy this now. I'm just saying look at it because it might be something to look at for the future. Because when you get the number one bank in America, the company buying or backing a project, guys, come on, man. You already know what to do with that. Look at that. Only 39,000 holders on this fucking thing. 39,000 holders, man. That's insane. TVL at 1 point. This thing is a baby. This thing is a baby to me. Trading volume is high right now, man, because of the announcements, but like I said, for me, I won't touch this. You could, what I would do, I'll buy a little bit today. I'll just keep buying and I'll just keep buying and I'll keep buying. I'll buy a little bit today. And but what I like to do, because this thing is up, I'm going to show you guys real quick, right? Yeah, look, this is the past. Look at this shit. This is the past 24 hours. No, yeah. I like this better. Guys, look at this chart, man. Look at this shit. Look at this. Market cap was 60 million just days ago. Days. This is the reason why crypto is difficult, man. Because if you are bought at the bottom here, you would have made 3x your money, right? Almost 3x. 60. Almost. So if I put 1,000, if I put $1,000, no joke. If I put $1,000 on this thing, 8 a.m. this morning, if I put 1K in this thing this morning, my 1K is now worth almost $3,000, man. In one day, 8 a.m. this morning, my 1K is now worth almost $3,000 by those 10 hours later. 10 hours later, my 1K is now worth almost $3,000. Yeah, it's pumping again, man. It's up. It's just very volatile because it's a low supply. But I mean, the only thing that could kill the momentum on this thing is what I'll do is I'll just put some money in it, just have some skin in the game. Because you don't want to wake up in the next couple of days and this thing is going to go to $1 billion market cap. That's the 10x, man. So I'll put a little bit on it, a little bit. I might put 200, maybe $100, maybe 300, just to sit, buy it, and wait. If it goes down, I'll buy a little bit more. But that's just me. I'm not saying buy. That's just me. So guys, let me end this show. Great show today. I appreciate you guys here in the lake. I see you, bro. But Alex, I recommend you watching those videos from YouTube. We have 221 viewers today, man. That's to me that's crazy. You know why? Because when I first started this show, we had 2 people, 2 viewers, man. 2 viewers coming in the show. Now we're having 223 live viewers on Twitter. Because I'm live on Twitter Live, I'm live on YouTube, right? And I want to be live on Twitter. I'm sorry, on Instagram and where's the other one? Instagram and TikTok. I want to be live on those 4, man. That's my plan. I'm still planning on that, right? But yeah, man, guys, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Let me take my screenshot. I normally take screenshots to appreciate all of you amazing people for coming to show me love, come and show me support. Uh, let's see. So much love to you, legends. Always coming in here to show me support, man. So, guys, the markets, like we have a long way to go, man. Do you understand how crazy this is? The last time, the last time the Coinbase app was 333, that low, or 400. Ethereum was 1,400 bucks. Solana was $70. Bitcoin was like 60K or something like that. So, like, we have just keep clicking, guys. Just keep clicking, guys. Much love. I appreciate you guys and much love. Thank you for your support. I'll see you guys again next week. And by the way, I haven't tweeted as much on Twitter. If you're wondering why I haven't tweeted, is because my page is getting verified again. I didn't lose, but I ended my partnership with Wagme Hub ended, so my W badge, it ended. So because that badge came out, I lost my Twitter has to review your page again to verify your account again. So that's why, like, you can't see it though. You see under review. I don't know if you can see it under my name. See that under review. That's my Twitter page. So I can't tweet as much because as of right now, I don't have a blue check mark right now. And with that, your page get deleted and all that madness. So I'm not tweeting anything. I don't tweet. I tweet maybe once or twice a day now. Reply once or twice a day, not much. So until I get my blue check mark back fully, I'm not going to tweet as much, man. So guys, thank you for coming to the show. I'll see you guys again tomorrow for another show, 6 p.m. CST. I appreciate you guys for always coming to support. You guys are legends. Thank you for all your support, guys. I'll see you guys again tomorrow.